Let's talk about how to get a free EIN, Employer Identification Number, also known as a Federal Tax ID number. Not only is getting an EIN number free, you get the number immediately. Search Google for EIN number. Don't click on the first thing you see. Scroll down until you see irs.gov. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, online. This will put you on the IRS website. Spend a few minutes reading the 3 steps. Make note where it says that you will receive your EIN number immediately upon completion. When you finish reading, click the Apply Online Now button. Here is some information you should consider reading before you start the process. Answer all the questions and remember, you cannot stop the process and resume later. It has to be completed in one sitting. When you are finished, you should receive your IRS Form SS4 that contains your unique EIN number. Safeguard this document since it could be requested by your bank and other financial entities. Please leave any feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.